Hello friends and welcome to my channel The Unix Mantra. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting automation tool called Vagrant. What exactly is the Vagrant? Vagrant is an open source tool for creating and managing virtual machines. It is written in a language called Ruby. Virtual machine can be provisioned on top of any of the below virtualization provider. Let it be Virtualbox, Hyper-V, VMware, AWS, etc. Who all can use Vagrant tool? It can be used by developers to create virtual machines. Then it can be used by system administrators. Then it can be used by web designers as well as students. So what are the prerequisites in order to use Vagrant tool? First of all, we will need any host machine. Let it be Windows or Linux. In our case, we'll be using Windows 10 operating system as our host machine. Then you will need a virtualization provider. Let it be VMware or Virtualbox or anything else. In our case, we'll be using Oracle Virtualbox as our base virtualization provider. Then you will need a Vagrant tool or software to be installed on your host machine. Then you will need a command line interface. In our case, we'll be using a PowerShell. Then you will need a box image. Box image is nothing but the operating system that you will going to install on your virtual machine. So let's start. In order to download Virtualbox, you will have to just browse this URL virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads and click on this link Windows host. As soon as you click this link, it will start downloading the software of Virtualbox. I'm not going to download it because I already have it downloaded and installed. The installation is quite simple. It's just same as that of any other Windows software. Then you will have to install and download Vagrant tool. So in order to download and install it, just browse vagrantapp.com and click on download. Based on your host machine, select the appropriate version. In our case, our host machine is Windows 64-bit, so I will just click on that 64-bit and the tool will get downloaded. The installation of tool is also simple. It is same as that of any other Windows software. Now I assume that you have downloaded and installed Virtualbox as well as Vagrant tool. So let's go to the Virtualbox. So this is our Virtualbox, and here you can see at left hand side there is no machine yet created. Then open PowerShell. And here we are. So in order to create our first machine, we'll need a box image. So how to get that box image? Just go to our website vagrantapp.com and click on find boxes. So here you will see the list of all the boxes, and in second column the providers, virtualization provider. As you can see here, these are the list of all the virtualization provided for which the box images are available. So as we are using Oracle Virtualbox, so we'll simply click on Virtualbox and it will show you all the images that can be used or that can be created on the top of Virtualbox virtualization provider. So in our case, we'll try to deploy a Ubuntu machine. So the important thing is here is the name of the machine. Here the name of the machine is Ubuntu/Trusty64. So let's start. First of all, you will have to create an empty directory. So for example, I am creating a directory name Ubuntu. So as you can see, a directory with name Ubuntu has been created. Just go to the directory, and as you can see, nothing is listed here. So the first command is that we'll need to create a Vagrant file. So how to create that? Just type in Vagrant init and the name of the box image. Here in our case, the name of the box image is Ubuntu slash trusty64, and how we get that? Based on this name we get that. So just click enter, and as you can see, a Vagrant file has been placed in this directory. If you see, this is the file which got created. If you want to see the file, just go to your user's home directory, go to the respective folder, and you can see this is the configuration file. The important thing to be noted down here is the name of the box image. So this is exactly what we have given. config.vm.box is equal to ubuntu slash trusty64. So this is just the configuration file, you can say. Now, in order to create the virtual machine, just type in a command vagrant up. As soon as you hit this command, it will start downloading the box image. First, I will show you the path where exactly it stores all the box images. Now it has started the download, so it will take some time based on the size of the box image. So till then I will pause the video, and here we go. The image has successfully downloaded. Now it is trying to create the machine. It also checks if the downloaded machines is up to date or not, and then only it proceeds. Now it has booted the virtual machine, and it is just waiting to it is waiting for the connection to be established. And here we can see that the machine has been successfully rebooted. And here we go. The virtual machine has successfully got created. If you want, you can check here. Previously, at the start of the video, we saw that there was nothing listed here. Here now we can see that a Ubuntu machine has been created. Now, in order to log into that machine, just type in and here we go. We have been successfully get logged into the machine. If you can see, this is the default hostname that has been set up. I will show you how to change this hostname in the configuration file. In order to exit from the machine, just type in exit. Currently the machine is off. If you want to see the status, you can just simply type in Vagrant status command, and it will show you the status of your machine. Here we can see the state as running. In order to stop this machine, just type in Vagrant halt, and it will stop the machine. To list down all the options associated with Vagrant command, just type in vagrant-help, and it will list all the options that you can use with Vagrant command. Now, in order to change the hostname of that particular machine, just go to the configuration file. This is the configuration file, and here just type in config.pm.hostname is equal to, give the name of the hostname whatever you want. Here I will go ubuntu.ipsmatra.com and just save the file. Here we are in the same directory. You see, this is our directory. Here is our Vagrant file. Just type in Vagrant up and it will start your machine. It will not try to download because it already has the box image downloaded, so it will simply power on the machine. And here we are. The machine has been rebooted and is up, and here we can see this is the hostname that we had set in the configuration file. Now the machine is there up and running. So how to destroy or delete this machine? The command for that is Vagrant destroy and the ID of the machine. Here we are in the same directory, so by default it will take the same machine where which is your parent working directory or present working directory. So just type in Vagrant destroy. What it will do, it will first shut down the machine and it will delete the machine. So if you can see, the machine has been shut down and it has deleted the machine. Here you can see in the Virtualbox nothing is listed here. This means that the machine has successfully been deleted. So in the start of the tutorial I told you that the box image got saved in a particular path. The path is in the home directory of your user. There is a hidden directory called vagrant.t. Just go to that directory and here you see this is the directory where all the boxes are stored. So these are the list of the boxes. The Ubuntu we recently downloaded and I already had this CentOS 7 downloaded. So this is the directory where the successful downloaded images got stored and the unsuccessful images got stored in this directory tmp. Now I will show you how to deploy a CentOS box image. So the image is already there, so it will not download it, it will just create a machine out of it. So I will show you how it works. Just create a directory with the name CentOS. You can give any name you want, and as you can see there is nothing listed. So the command to create initial configuration file is vagrant init and the name of the box image. This is the box image name CentOS/7. So just type in CentOS/7 and it has created the Vagrant file. In order to create the machine, just type in Vagrant up and it will create the machine. In this case, it will not download the box image because it already has downloaded. So it will just try to create the machine and it will up the machine. And here we go, the machine has been created. You can see here in the Virtualbox the machine is created and it's currently running. So in order to log into the machine, just type in Vagrant SSH, and this is our CentOS Linux 7.4 machine. You see, this is the uptime. Currently it doesn't have a proper hostname, it has the default hostname. I will show you how to change this hostname while the machine is up. In order to change the hostname, we have to make changes in the configuration file. So go to the directory and just edit this configuration file. Type in config.pm.hostname is equal to centos.unixmantra.com and just save it. Now the machine is up. You can see the status in the Vagrant status command. So how to reflect the changes while the machine is running? So for that, the command is Vagrant reload. What it will do, it will shut down the machine and it will recreate the machine pulling the current configuration from the configuration file. So now what it is trying to power up the machine and power on with the new configuration. As you can see here, this is the hostname that we set. So this is how within fraction of seconds you can create multiple machines. Now while this machine is up and running, I will create another machine. If you see in the Virtualbox, there is only one machine, that is of CentOS 7. Now I will create Ubuntu machine. For that, go to our Ubuntu directory and just type in Vagrant up. Now it is trying to create Ubuntu machine. In this case also it will not try to download the box image because it is already downloaded. So it will just create a machine and it will make it up. And here we can see in the Virtualbox the another machine has been created. So currently we have two machines, one is Ubuntu and another one is CentOS. If you type in Vagrant SSH, you will be able to log into the Ubuntu machine. And here we are, this is our Ubuntu machine. If you want to see the status, type in Vagrant status command. It will show you the status of your current machine, that is in the directory where you are. If you want to see the status of all the virtual machine, then just type in Vagrant global status and it will list all the machines that are running or that has been created using Vagrant. So these are the list of machines that we have recently created. So in this tutorial we understood how to create a virtual machine using Vagrant and the various commands that can be used in order to play with the machines. Thank you for watching the video.